Good morning, friends. Welcome to Monday Morning Math. In math today, we are going to read a story and then we're going to review our numbers, and Miss Gann's going to go ahead and explain your directions for Google Classroom. The story we're going to listen to today is called 10 Turkeys in the Road.
It's reading time! 10 Turkeys in the Road by Brenda Reeves Sturgis. 10 turkeys blocked the road one hot and hazy day. A pickup screeched, a farmer beat. One turkey flew away. 9 turkeys in the road caused a long delay. The farmer frowned and flashed his lights. One turkey flew away. 8 turkeys in the road, each holding out a tray. The farmer inched his truck ahead. One turkey flew away. 7 turkeys in the road with cans of string to spray. The farmer shook his fist and yelled. One turkey flew away. 6 turkeys in the road climbed high to swing and sway. The farmer banged and clanged his tool. One turkey flew away. 5 turkeys in the road declared, "We're here to stay!" The farmer threw his old straw hat. One turkey flew away. 4 turkeys in the road shared a big bouquet. The farmer opened up his door. One turkey flew away. 3 turkeys in the road juggled bales of hay. The farmer jumped and pulled his hair. One turkey flew away. 2 turkeys in the road squawked, "Hip, hip, hooray!" The farmer pounded on his hood. One turkey flew away. 1 turkey in the road announced, "We've got to go." The turkey snuck into the truck and called, "Come see the show!" One farmer in the road hung his head and sighed. A car drove up. The driver asked, "Hey, pal, you need a ride?" The tired farmer puffed and puffed, then squeezed into the car. The driver squealed, "Away we go! The circus isn't far!" Badoosh. The end.
All right, friends, in our story, we were counting, but we were going backwards. Today, we're going to review our numbers and then our assignment. So what Miss Gann wants you to do is I want you to count to the grown-up or to the person next to you how many counters we have in our 10 frame. Miss Gann will help. 1, 2. Then I'd like you to point to the screen which turkey shows the number 2. If you pointed to this turkey, you are correct. Now we have number 3. So point to the turkey that shows 3. Great job. The next one is 1. And that means our last one is what number? 4. Fantastic. We go to our next slide. Look at our 10 frame. Subatize how many counters are in that 10 frame. If we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. So we would match him with 6. Miss Gann would like you to count them and then hold up your fingers. How many do you see? If you showed Miss Gann 7, then you are correct. The next one, our first line is filled, and we know that shows a way to make 5. Last one leaves the number 8. Great job, guys. All right, next slide. If our whole 10 is filled up, it looks like we're looking for the number 10. Miss Gann doesn't see that one, so I'm going to move him down. Now I look and I see the number 9. I don't see the number 9 on our turkeys. Guess they're trying to trick us. I see this number, the number 7. This number, 5 on top and 3 on the bottom, 5 and 3 make 8. So they must have messed up the numbers. So we're going to leave those 2 turkeys here and not match up those ones. Next one, we have our double numbers. So we are going to look at these numbers. We have the number 11 turkey, the number 13 turkey, the number 14 turkey, and the number 12 turkey. So Miss Gann's going to count. We have 10 and 4 more equals 14. Then we have 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 2 is 12. And then 10 and 1 is 11. Great job, friends. All right. We're going to go ahead and we can listen to our quick 10 turkey song.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 10 Little Turkeys by The Learning Station. Available in single song download. 10 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 9 decided to stay. 9 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew out of the gate, and when he was gone, there were 8. 8 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 7 decided to stay. 7 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hid with the chicks, and when she was gone, there were 6. 6 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 5 decided to stay. 5 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hopped out the door, and when he was gone, there were 4. 4 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 3 decided to stay. 3 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flapped her wings and flew, and when she was gone, there were 2. 2 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the last one decided to stay. One little turkey sat in his hide, said the little red hen. The last little turkey flew off toward the sun, and when he was gone, there were none.
All right, friends, Miss Gann's going to go ahead and show you your independent work. It's called pie order. So you're going to use our anchor chart on the next slide if you need help, and you're going to put the pies in order from least to greatest. Okay, so here's our number chart that goes 1 to 20 in case you need to use that for reference. So let's do the first slide together. We have numbers 8, 9, 6, and 7. So we have to decide what is the smallest pie. So say to yourself, what is the smallest pie? If you said 6, you're correct. So we go to 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8, and then 9. So everything is interactive. So all you have to do is put it from least to greatest. Then you go to the next one, different types of numbers, 11, 13, 10, 12. So if you needed to go back to the chart, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Miss Gann knows she has to start with the number 10. Then 11, then 12, and 13. All right, guys, Miss Gann can't wait to see your math work. Have a great day.